hands down would say that the Summer Law Institute was a life-changing experience for me. I don't think I would have found what I want to do or what I want to pursue for the rest of my life without it. And I think it was something that kind of totally changed the trajectory of my life. So I'm very thankful for it. And I've met some of my closest friends that I know I'll be working with in the future through this camp. What it did an amazing job of doing was introducing us to all of the resources we have as young Latinos and Latinas in the community to become a lawyer, and being exposed to those opportunities to meet influential people, to discover kind of what jobs were out there. That was really helpful in creating this overall amazing experience that I will never forget.
The Summer Law Institute shaped my career path, most prominently going through the preparation process for, I guess, the big event, which is the mock trial, right? So attending the in-class sessions, just learning the basics in terms of the rules of evidence, working with different people from across the country was a good experience because everybody brings a different perspective. To take those unique perspectives and merge them into one sort of cohesive vision for a way to try the case was very helpful, because that's how it is, in the real world. You have to work together with people to achieve a common goal, and I thought that was really helpful. The Summer Law Institute inspired me, just kind of confirming that being an attorney is what I wanted to be. Just re-emphasizing the fact that being somebody who would be advocating on behalf of their client, whether it was a business or the state or an accused, just being able to be the person's voice in the courtroom was something certainly that I wanted to do. I definitely would say that it was a life-changing experience.
My name is Carolina Padilla, and I attended the Legal Institute in the summer of my sophomore year, which was in 2017. I would say that the Legal Institute was a life-changing experience for me because I had never really left the small town I live in. I come from a predominantly low-income community, so kind of being there, I felt like I was doing something for my own community where I could come back and share my own experience. And I met a whole bunch of different people from different states, and so kind of just hearing their experiences and as to why they were going into the legal field kind of made me think more about why I was going into the legal field, and it actually helped shift my viewpoint on what I specifically wanted to do. And meeting other professionals that have already gone through the process really encouraged me, specifically because I came to the realization if they did it, I could do it too. So it's just, it was one step in, and then from there I continued doing more programs and looking into different opportunities.
My name is Matt Gomez. I attended the HMBF Summer Law Camp in the summer of '07. It was the very first exposure I had to legal professionals kind of on a consistent basis. Going to law school up until the Institute was an idea, but at that point it kind of, like I said, gave me the appetite to want to pursue it, and it made it seem accessible. It made it seem within reach, and that it was within my capacity. It showed to me that you could take the legal skills, the tools that you learn in law school, and apply them in the public policy setting on behalf of a community. So that was very impactful. I feel like that just set me on the track that I'm on, and it just all was a very organic process. And like I said, the Institute kind of just removed the giant barrier, the barrier of uncertainty. The law camp was absolutely a life-changing, life-defining experience. You need to have, like I said, a community, and that the Institute is where that all kind of started for me.
The Summer Law Institute influenced my decision to apply to law school because it empowered me in a way that no other program had. I hadn't seen Latina lawyers ever, and getting to meet some of them, meeting a couple of law students who were then our law camp counselors, really made me realize I too could also be a Latina lawyer. I'm so thankful that I had that opportunity, because I don't think that I would be as empowered as I am now to pursue a career in law. For me personally, it's helped me realize that law is the way I want to go. It's the career path I want to take because of all of my different passions. That I was able to see people who look like me as lawyers, and I hadn't seen that before. And also getting to hear about their experiences and being empowered by them made me think, okay, if they did it, I can do it as well. For me, it like opened up my eyes to different opportunities. It definitely changed my life.